Most gardeners think better harvests come from buying better fertilizers. But the truth is, the healthiest gardens often grow from something much simpler, recycling what the garden already produces. Kitchen scraps, plant residues, and soil organisms can work together to create a natural cycle of fertility. When these materials break down slowly in the soil, they release nutrients exactly where plants need them. In this video, we'll explore 2 easy in-bed composting techniques that turn everyday waste into living soil. Let's begin with the first method, WormPowered compost basket. Creating a small vermicompost system directly inside your garden bed is a simple way to recycle kitchen waste and improve soil health at the same time. For this method, we use an old fruit basket. Its holes allow worms to move in and out easily, while letting moisture and nutrients spread into the surrounding soil. Start by digging a hole in the garden bed deep enough for most of the basket to sit below soil level, leaving the top edge slightly above the surface. Place the basket in the hole and press soil firmly around it so it stays stable. Now build the compost layers inside the basket. Add kitchen scraps like vegetable peels, fruit waste, tea leaves, and crushed eggshells. Cutting the scraps into smaller pieces helps them break down faster. After that, add a layer of partially finished compost or vermicompost to introduce beneficial microbes and kickstart decomposition. Finally, cover everything with soil or mulch. And give it light watering so the contents remain moist. Over time, worms from the surrounding soil will enter through the basket holes and begin feeding on the organic material. As they move through the system, they produce nutrient-rich castings that spread into the surrounding soil and feed nearby plants once or twice a week. You can simply add more kitchen scraps and cover them again with a little soil or dry material. Method number 2, rebuilding a garden bed after radish harvest. The next method focuses on restoring a garden bed after harvesting radishes. The bed you are seeing has already produced a generous crop. Many remaining plants are beginning to bolt and produce flowers, which means the bed has finished its main job for this season. The first step is clearing the bed completely by removing the remaining radish plants and any weeds. As you pull them out, you can see how radish roots grow deep into the soil. These roots loosen compacted layers and create natural channels that improve aeration and water movement. Once the bed is cleared, remove the top layer of soil and keep it aside. This creates space for adding organic material underneath. Now take the plant material you removed earlier, radish leaves, stems, roots, and any extra vegetable scraps, and spread it evenly across the bed. This layer will slowly decompose and act as a natural compost source. After that, return the soil you removed earlier and cover the organic layer completely. Then add a thin layer of finished compost on top to introduce beneficial microbes. Water the bed thoroughly so moisture reaches both the compost and the buried plant material. Allow the bed to rest for about 4 weeks. During this time, microbes and worms will break down the organic matter into rich humus, improving soil fertility and structure. By the time the next planting season arrives, the bed will already be full of nutrients and ready for new crops.